Yeah.
I go play ball right now.
Yeah. Oh man. All right, so today we got CJ. CJ has some mid back and low back issues. CJ is also a victim of mine on the basketball court. Many years.
Whoa. You capping. That felt good. Okay. Oh. All right. I ain't gonna cap. Oh. I ain't done that. Like, okay, all right.
Yeah. Just relax. Just relax one more time. There we go. 2 more times.
I'm just ready.
This guys is the delusional adjustment. So I could give you an adjustment and make you think you could be better than me.
Kick pain. Get well at the Miami Spine Clinic.
All right, so today we got CJ. CJ has some mid back and low back issues. CJ is also a victim of mine on the basketball court. Many years.
Whoa. You capping. Don't believe that.
All right, CJ, you been adjusted before?
No.
No? First time being adjusted?
First time being adjusted.
All right, cool. So do me a favor, just put your feet out like this. Both of them. Put your palms up and just relax for me, okay?
All right.
All right, in here. All right, do me a favor, let your head drop for me. There you go.
That felt good. Okay.
All right. Just relax on me. Right down here. Just relax.
Oh. All right. I ain't gonna cap. Oh. I ain't done that. Like, okay, all right.
Yeah.
Let's go another round. We out. We out.
All right, come on up. Just relax on me. Just relax. There we go. Just relax one more time. There we go. Good. Just relax. Good. Do me a favor, lift one leg up and keep it straight. Lift one leg up, keep it straight. There you go. Down. Other leg. All right, just relax on me. Two more times. One more time. Good. Uncross. Lift that leg up for me. Put it back down. Lift it up. All right, still some challenge. Put it back down. All right. Good. Lift this leg up again. All right. Let me have you lay on your side. Face me. Just relax. That felt good. Good. Come on up. Just relax. Just relax one more time. Ooh.
Okay.
I see that. Oh man. Stand up. How you feel?
Loose.
Yeah?
I go play ball right now.
Yeah? Oh man.
Get that work right now. You want it?
I look like a turnover, man.
That was a shot over there.
No, that was a turnover.
You facing me that way, you see? See, look. I'm this already.
This guys is the delusional adjustment. So I could give you an adjustment and make you think you could be better than me, and he has it.
It's capping. All I need is just one bucket on your car today.
All right.
Appreciate you, man.
All right, good.